control panel, main isolator on. We're going to start and stop. Door isolation. Everything is good. Everything is good. It's the door isolation switch. You can run the machine with the door open, but only for 5 minutes. Then the machine shuts down again. Got table rise and fall, up and down. Feed, mat, control, 1 speed, 2 speeds. Go inside. Clockwise, all the way, you can open the door. The machine itself comprises of 3 elements. We have the front roller, which is made of steel, only for calibration, just to get stuff flat. The second roller comprises of a soft rubber, just to get it nice and smooth. And the third element is the pad. The pad consists of a graphite shield, and the pad itself. This is the soft compound. That slides in there. Always remember to put the graphite shield back in. Pressure on. Now the pad itself, you have a coarse setting, up and down, and also you can put air pressure in, generally 1 bar. You can use each element either individually or as one. So we start the machine up. Number 1. Number 2. On. Down. All the time. See that going up, down, so forth. So for general sanding, you'll be using this pad, which is much more hard, much more solid, lasts longer. Controlled by this device here, the anti-dumping device. Going to go around the side again, Paul. The device is triggered. Pad. First roller. Second roller and the pad. This is the tasting device. Activate the taster. Introduce our board. The first whisker, just to read out. Brings the table down. The second whisker plus the first whisker brings the table up to a set distance. If, for example, you wish to take off 0.2 of a millimetre, move the disc around to 0.2, the down whisker, introduce the board so it hits both whiskers, .4. I'll go around to 0.4. Add on 2.2, so it's taken off. Elements between each themselves. Normally if you have 0, minus 0.2, minus 0.2 for the pad. So you're taking off 0.6 maximum. So you can adjust it simply by loosening these knurled nuts. And with the arrow, you can move the roller either up or down relative to the rest of the machine. And by doing so, relative to each other.
So what should they have that set on? Let's say 80 grit on the front.
That's the point, it doesn't matter, it's relative.
Right. Okay.
These aren't really increments. And then these arrows go anywhere you want, so it really is just incrementally different to each other. And jointed work, you would use the front roller, the second roller, maybe not the pad, just for getting stuff flat. For veneers, you don't want the front roller, you want the second roller plus the pad on automatic for veneer. If it's just ordinary flat panel work, you have the pad constant, front roller and the second roller, all three elements at once.